It's the Marshall Show. Hello everybody, it's Marshall, back with another video. In this video, we're going to be making some island pineapple jello. We're going to be making this using the quick method because it's faster and it tastes the same. I hope that you enjoy. For this DIY, you will need any flavor of Jello mix. For this video, I used island pineapple, a pot to boil things in, a measuring cup, some ice, and a spoon. You will also need access to water, a fridge, and a stovetop. Bring 3/4 of a cup of water to boil on a stove. As soon as the water starts boiling, turn off the heat and add in the Jello mix. Start stirring until the Jello mix is completely dissolved. Take 1/2 cup of cold water and start adding ice until the water level is at around 1 1/4 of a cup. Pour your water and ice mixture into your pot on the stove and start stirring the pot until the mixture begins to thicken. You know that it's ready when you start to see little bubbles forming along the surface. If you have any leftover ice pieces, fish them out and throw them away. Pour your mixture into the container that you want to store the Jello in and put it into the refrigerator for between 30 minutes and 2 hours. Once you can touch the mixture without having it stick to your fingers, it's ready. Scoop it up into bowls and serve. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe for more amazing content like this. My Walk for Hearing fundraiser for the Hearing Loss Association of America is still going on. If you could donate as well as share the link below, it would mean a lot. Thank you in advance for your support. Stay safe, and as always, don't forget to enjoy life and have a great day. And I'll see you all next time.